The last topic in the series is life skills, or practical life as it is commonly known. In Montessori schools, life skills and academics are given equal importance. These are skills which everyone needs to acquire for their daily functioning, but we usually don't teach them to younger kids thinking they are too small or they will make a mess which we only have to clean up. But these skills will help your child become independent, and their dependency on you will gradually decrease. Plus, if we show faith in them and allow them to do things on their own, they will grow to have faith in themselves and will become confident as well as responsible. In Montessori, these skills are divided into 4 main categories: care of self, care of environment, grace and courtesy, and control of movement. But for today's video, we are discussing only the first 2 topics. Here are some practical life activities done in Montessori schools that can also be done at home. Transferring rice or lentils from one bowl to another using different spoons. They will drop some, but we need to show them how to put it back. Next, a dry pouring activity can also be done using beans or lentils. Use 2 child-sized cups or jug and let them try pouring. Ensure you use a tray for these activities so that any spillage can be contained in the tray itself. And again, if anything is dropped, they can pick it and put it back in the cups. Next, let them try transferring water from one bowl to another using a spoon. Keep a cloth handy to clean any spills. And after that's done, they can try pouring water from one jug to another. Use a plastic tray for any activity involving water. And do show them how to clean spills using a clean dry cloth. A toddler at this age can also learn how to fold a hand towel or a handkerchief. Show them how to make the folds slowly. All these activities increases their attention span because your child needs to concentrate to do them. Prepare everything in advance and show them how it needs to be done slowly. And when they are doing it, ensure not to disturb them. If they try any mischief, take it away gently and tell them they will get it again only if they agree to do it properly. If they agree, give them once and see. But if they continue making a mess, take it away and let them try another day. Now let's discuss the self-care skills a toddler is capable of learning. A child should by now be feeding themselves. If not, encourage them to eat on their own. They should also be able to pour water for themselves whenever they are thirsty. For this, we need to keep a jar or a pot at their level for easy access. Show your child how to wash and dry their hands and let them do it as well. They will play with the water and make mess the first few times, and we may need to be stern. But eventually they will stop and wash their hands properly. Keep a step stool near the basin so that they can reach the tap. They are capable of learning how to wipe their nose and how to sneeze or cough into a kerchief. You may need to remind them a few times initially till they do it on their own. Allow kids to try dressing up on their own, especially trying on short pants or skirts. Encourage them to put on their shoes, brush their teeth, and even to take bath. First, we need to let them make an attempt at it and later offer help to finish. Kids will learn these skills after a lot of practice and repetition, but we need to be patient. In fact, very patient. And also encourage them to do these things. Because only when we allow the child to do things on their own, they will become self-sufficient and self-confident. Care of the environment means taking care of their surroundings. That is keeping everything in order and also taking care of their things like books or toys or clothes. You can start by asking them to help set up table for meal times, like keeping the plates or bowls on the table. And after they finish eating, ask them to keep their plate and spoon in the sink. Let them attempt to clean the table or floor after dinner. You can also guide them to clean small messes or put away their toys in place. Now, if you have plants at home, let them use a small spray bottle to water them. Show them how much water the plant needs and not to spray a lot or waste water. And if you have pets, allow them to pour their food or water. Allow them also to help you in the kitchen, maybe for washing vegetables or pounding herbs. You can even give them a blunt knife to cut some boiled potatoes or any soft fruit like a banana. We don't need to force them to do any of these things if they don't want to. Ask them if they would like to help clean the table or help you wash vegetables. Most of the times they themselves offer help in cooking and cleaning. When they do, give them a chore and later thank them for their help. And once they've mastered any skill, encourage them to do it on their own, especially tidying up and cleaning small messes. When you ask a child to clean up messes or to put away their toys, do remember that they are still young and will need help. The way we get overwhelmed when we see too much mess, they also will, and may throw a tantrum or say no for tidying up. Do not shout or lose your temper during such situation. Instead say, "Let me help you," or "Let's clean up together."